Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel. And today we have an unboxing, so I'm going to show you a package that I just got in the mail right now. And make sure you guys stay locked in with me, but let's just go ahead and unbox it real quick. So basically I'm going to go ahead and take the knife real quick, cut the top. Now let's just go ahead and rip that open and pop this open as well. And there we get the bubble wrap around it. Let's toss that off to the side. Then let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Okay, so we got an all white box, Lemfo, which is actually really cool. I know what this is. So this is Lemfo, and this is going to be a really good product, guys. I'm definitely looking forward to this because I tried another product just like this one, and I think I have it right here. Now this is a smart watch. This is a fitness tracker with your earbuds inside. Now the only thing about this is it's really bulky, and if you get water on it, which I did, it'll stop working. So one of the left ear is now not working anymore. And this device offers more features and a little bit different features that it offers, so I'm gonna go over that right now. Alright, so I already see this thing has a ton of features packed into it. Basically it's LCD screen, 0.96 TFT, 80 resolution, single point touch, so there's only like one place to touch, and you don't have to like scroll or anything like that. There's only like one button. You can open it up. You see the one of them is blinking right now, so actually one of them already is pairing, and then the other one's probably like trying to pair, so that means that I'm gonna have to reset them when I'm actually setting it up. But right here you can see it's blinking and it turns blue when it's on your wrist, letting you know it's charging. So you know it's charging up right now, so that's why it's blinking. So then right here you can see that this is rubber. This has a really nice texture to it. It just feels really good. So you can see that one of them is blinking because it's probably charging right now. And so I got my phone right there on the right side of me. You see your left. Let's put that off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and take my knife, put that off to the side. Let's pick this up real quick. But if this thing has a heart rate sensor, blood pressure sensor, it also does have notifications. You can get all your notifications such as Facebook, phone calls, messages, and anything you want. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's see, we do have a micro USB as well. So you put the charging is a magnet that goes to the back of it, and that there you can see on the back of it is the heart rate sensor as well. Let me just go ahead and grab this protective film right off of here. Okay, so it's, you can see right there, you get the date, time, and day also. And let's see right here, let's just pop this right off. Boom. And then we also are getting the user manual. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick and then read the user manual, and you know I'll be right back, and then we'll pair this thing up to the watch and everything like that. Pretty cool. So it's showing you the steps. That looks like, I don't know, heartbeat right there, running. You get your messages when you connect it to the app. This is like blood pressure, and this is, you know, like oxygen level or something like that. And you can actually use this as a remote for taking photos. And real quick, and yeah, the fit, it's gonna be a really good fit. I could already tell right now. So I'm gonna pop it into one of those little holes. And this is hard to get on my wrist, like one hand, but I managed to do so. So that's actually on there. It feels really good. It feels really light too. This feels really light, and it doesn't feel bulky whatsoever. So you can see right here, I'm getting all my modes. But the main thing I want to do right now is test out the Bluetooth earphones right now. So I'm gonna go to Bluetooth on my device. All right, I finally got it to show up, and it says right here wait, why is that so bright? Let me show you. The LT04 right here. So it's showing up finally. Now let me just go ahead and hit this button. So essentially after you hit that button and pair it, you're going to be able to track date, time, pedometer, calories, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and heart rate. You also can keep track of messages and use these as Bluetooth earphones as well. When I first tried taking them out for the first time, there was a bit of a difficulty, but there's actually like a little twist and pull action, and you actually get them out really easy. Let me go down right here. I see LT, so let's just put these in my ear, and I'm gonna actually restart them. Let me long hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, that should reset them. Now I'm gonna long press them for 3 seconds at the exact same time to turn them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so they're turning on. So now I'm looking for it on my device right down below. So both of them should be on. They're both blinking. Now one of them's blinking. The left one is not blinking, the right one. So, okay, so what's happening right now? So let me go down right here. I see LT04R. Let me hit that. Hopefully both of them pair right now. So I heard this one said connected. So fingers crossed. We're gonna play some music real quick and test these out real quick. Play. Oh, snap. They're both connected to each other right now. And my watch is telling me what song is playing right now too. It says Homeboy Sandman on my watch. So you got, I'm listening to music right now. Let me turn these up a little bit. I don't have it on full blast, and it's 75% right now, and they sound really loud right now. So that's definitely sick. Let's switch the song real quick. I'm listening to Homeboy Sandman. Right now I got it up 75%, and I could barely hear myself speaking. Now when I put it all the way up right now, the bass actually kicked in, and it has way better bass than these other ones I had. I can honestly say this is a huge improvement from this one. So I'm gonna be rocking this one from going forward, but I could definitely say you will enjoy it way more than that one, because you're gonna be able to get your messages and plus everything that one offers. So let me just turn this down. And I definitely think these are sick. When you move your hand like this, the watch automatically turns on. I notice. You see right there? And you're getting all your modes, steps and everything like that, and it's going to be paired to the watch. So honestly, I definitely think this is sick, but I'm going to do a follow-up video with this device because there's honestly so much to talk about. But right now, I'm happy with the audio quality of the earbuds, and also the features that it does come with as well. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano, and make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos just like this. But this is the Lemfo 2-in-1 wristwatch with fitness tracker as well as smart notifications as well. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos. It's your boy Serrano. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.